Let's explore the About page of the new TAA website. First, you'll go to TAA.org and then sign in with your member login on the top right corner. If you do not know your member login, you can follow the prompts on the left-hand side, enter your email, password, and sign in to gain access to members-only content. The About page allows us to navigate how to join, leadership, TAA member benefits, the TAA team, the annual sustainers, and our past presidents. You can go to the landing page to walk you through all of these, or you can simply choose what you would like to view from the navigation. How to join allows you to search for your local association by zip code. You can also view all associations and have access to the contact information, the website, and link to join if available. Member benefits provide helpful links to leases and forms, the Red Book Online, education, continuing education, advocacy, industry insights, TAA resources, the One Conference, and networking events. You can learn about our leadership, including the board of directors and executive committee. You can also view those that are currently in place. You can browse the TAA team and learn more about each department and team members. Our annual sustainers are here and can be viewed by their status of platinum, gold, silver, and bronze. Thank you to our 2025 annual sustainers. You can also browse the brochure and learn more about opportunities here. Last but not least, you can view our past presidents that have contributed to the success of TAA since 1963 on the timeline